Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see how we can effectively use the RSI divergence strategy to find the reversal pattern. So in the last video, we saw the continuous pattern, and this is the pure reversal pattern using RSI divergence. So first we'll see the bullish divergence, where we find the weakness in the downtrend and then the market will go up. Okay, so here what we'll find is we'll find the lower low in price and then higher low in RSI. Okay, when we find this, then there is a weakness in downtrend and then the market will go up once we see this kind of pattern. Okay, and then there is a bearish divergence, for which we have a higher high in price which is not supported by higher high in RSI, but still we have the lower high in RSI. Then this actually gives a weakness in downtrend and then the market will go downside. Okay, so this is similar to our previous continuation pattern. The target is not defined here, as this used to be have a longer continuation of longer reversal in the trend. It gives you more money if you ride the trend and exit when you actually find the reversal. Okay, that is a pure exit strategy. Nothing on the RSI, nothing on the trend. Whenever you find the reversal in price, exit the position. Okay, and the stop loss is either you keep the entry candles low or high, or you can keep the trend line high or low as the stop loss. Okay, simple. If you want to do conservatively, you can trail the stop loss, otherwise keep as it is and then ride the trend. Okay, this is the strategy. Just to re-insist, buy when you see the lower low in price and higher low in RSI, and then there is a change in the trend, take a position. For a sell, whenever if you find a higher high in price and higher low in RSI and there is a reversal, if you find the trend, the pattern, take a sell position here and for the buy here. Okay, this is a strategy. We'll see the strategy with example. So here we find lower low in price pattern. First achieve. Second, we find higher low in RSI. Okay, just try to match. It will be more or less in the same place. Okay, so we find the lower low in price and higher low in RSI, and keep this is the entry candle. Either keep this as a stop loss. Okay, and ride the trend. So okay, so this is a buy call and see how long the price went up. It's more than from 222 it went to 340. Okay, so one more example. So here we have the lower low in price, higher low in RSI. So which means there is a reversal in the trend on the upper side. So we enter our position somewhere here and then we ride the uptrend. Simple. And this is for the bearish divergence, where we have a higher high which is not supported by RSI. So we have a lower high in RSI. There is a reversal in the trend. Take a position here and then ride the trend. Simple. So one more example for bearish divergence, higher high and then we have a lower high in RSI, trend reversed. See how long the price went down. So another thing is, like, the stocks I have taken in the example or Nifty 100, Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 stocks, ITC, Biocon, Motherson Sumi, State Bank of India. So everything or the good fundamentally strong companies, okay, even in that we will be seeing this kind of pattern, which gives us more confirmation on reliability of the strategy. Okay, so there's a one last example for the bearish divergence. This is actually a current trend. Okay, this is higher high in price and lower high in RSI. So which means this is a bearish divergence, and then we take a sell position here, keep a stop loss somewhere here, and then ride the trend. Okay, so this is a sell. Hope you are clear with the strategy, guys. Just to recap it, there will be a bullish divergence when you see a lower low price pattern and then higher low in RSI. It is a bullish, take a buy call. Stop loss is the entry candles low or the trend lines. Entry candles low or below the trend line. That is the stop loss. Ride the trend as much as possible unless until you find the reversal pattern in the price, not on the RSI. Reversal pattern in the price. Bearish divergence opposite. In the price you see the higher high pattern. In the RSI you will see the lower high pattern. Then you take a sell position. Stop loss is the entry candles high or the above the trend line. Target whenever you find the reversal pattern in the price. Okay, simple. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.